If you're looking to turn your LinkedIn leads into CRM contacts instantly, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to streamline your lead management process, saving you time and ensuring your leads get into your CRM fast. First off, we all know that LinkedIn is a goldmine for potential clients, partners, and leads. But when you're connecting with dozens, if not hundreds of people every week, manually transferring those contacts into your CRM can be a tedious, time-consuming task. The solution? Automating the process and using the right tools. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps using our recommended software. So let's jump right into it. Start by logging into LinkedIn and selecting the leads or prospects you want to save. Instead of manually typing them out or copying and pasting, use LinkedIn's export feature or a third-party tool that can pull all your connections into a CSV file automatically. This will save you from the manual process and ensure you're getting all the details without missing anything. Once you have the CSV, it's time to use our software. The software we'll be using allows you to import these leads directly into your CRM with just a few clicks. This process is super simple and cuts down on all the extra work. Instead of spending hours entering information one by one, the software will instantly map the data from your CSV to the fields in your CRM. But here's the key part you don't want to miss. After uploading the CSV, this software automatically sorts the contacts and can even tag them based on the type of lead, where they are in the sales funnel, and other key criteria. This is a game changer when it comes to follow-ups and segmenting your leads. Now I know you're probably thinking, but what if I don't want to manually export every single time? The good news is that some advanced features within the software will sync LinkedIn directly with your CRM. So whenever you connect with a new lead, it's automatically added to your CRM instantaneously. No more exporting, no more manual updates. If you've tried other solutions in the past and weren't happy with the results, don't worry. I've tested the most popular tools for this, and this software stands out for its ease of use and seamless integration with LinkedIn and CRMs. And as a special offer for you, the viewers of my channel, I've partnered up with them to offer an exclusive free trial. You'll find the link in the description below, so you can follow along and get started right away. Before I wrap up, let me give you a key takeaway. Automating the process of turning your LinkedIn leads into CRM contacts is not just about saving time. It's about improving your efficiency and never letting a valuable connection slip through the cracks. By leveraging the right software, you can focus on nurturing relationships instead of getting bogged down in data entry. To recap the main steps, first, export your LinkedIn leads into a CSV file. Then, import those contacts into our software, which automatically maps the fields for you. Finally, set up the sync feature to make future contacts seamless. It's that simple. Again, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below and get started turning your LinkedIn leads into CRM contacts instantly. Thanks for watching.